Looking back で、5番です。Looking back at this July and goals for August. The table of contents. Thank you. で、これ The results and reflections in this July TikTok YouTube. So, TikTok. The results of July. Total video views. Sleepin 79,000 views. The CHUPI-CHAPA electrical sound graph. 72,161 views. Profile views. Sleepin 1,100 views. The CHUPI-CHAPA electrical sound graph is 358 views. Likes. Sleepin 6,700 likes. CHUPI-CHAPA 1,245 likes. The Sleepin, the comments. Sleepin 250 comments. CHUPI-CHAPA 110 comments. The shares. Sleepin 119 shares. CHUPI-CHAPA 41 shares. And live. The total number of live views. Sleepin 23,700. The CHUPI-CHAPA 3,333 views. The new followers. Sleepin 82 new followers. But CHUPI-CHAPA 0 new followers. The diamonds. Sleepin 10,600 diamonds. The equivalent to Japan yen 5,300 Japan yen. The CHUPI-CHAPA 0 diamond. So total time of live streaming. Sleepin 16 days, 16 hours. CHUPI-CHAPA 2 days, 18 hours on live. The June results. TikTok video. Total video views. Sleepin 68,000 views. CHUPI-CHAPA 119,105 views. The profile views. Sleepin 1,000 views. CHUPI-CHAPA 839 views. The likes. Sleepin 6,200 likes. CHUPI-CHAPA 1,336 likes. The comments. Sleepin 195 comments. CHUPI-CHAPA 420 comments. Shares. Sleepin 99 shares. CHUPI-CHAPA 61 shares. Live streaming. June results of live streaming. Total number of live views. Sleepin 20,900. CHUPI-CHAPA 1,127 views. The new followers. Sleepin 26 new followers. But CHUPI-CHAPA 0 new followers. Oh, thank you very much everyone. And diamonds. Sleepin 14,300 diamonds, the equivalent to Japan yen 250 Japan yen。私ですよさんライブシェアありがとうございます。The CHUPI-CHAPA 2 diamonds equivalent to 1 Japan yen. CHUPI-CHAPA. The total time of live streaming, Sleepin 11 days and 4 hours. But CHUPI-CHAPA 1 day and 11 hours. The comparison of June and July video. Sleepin ShigeP total video views increased by 1.1k. Profile views increased by 100 views. The video likes increased by 100 likes. And the video comments increased by 55 comments. Video shares increased by 20. But CHUPI-CHAPA Electrical Sound Club total video views decreased by 46k. Profile views decreased by 481. And video likes decreased by 91. Video comments decreased by 310. Video shares decreased by 20. The TikTok Live total number of views increased by 2.8k. The 56 new followers increased. 3,700 diamonds decreased. Total time increased by 5 days and 12 hours. And CHUPI-CHAPA Electrical Sound Club total number of live views increased by 2.2k. New followers plus and minus 0. Diamonds decreased by 2. And total time increased by 1 day and 7 hours. So どうしていきたいか。The reflection in July on TikTok. So待ってね。So, also, videos are the main focus rather than live performances. Fundamentally, I want to improve the discrepancy in evaluation between Sleepin ShigeP's videos and live performances. So, in order to actively seek sponsors funds, I will also be doing live streams from time to time on CHUPI-CHAPA Electrical Sound Club account. And my goal of 10,000 followers will remain the same so that I can focus on videos. And I would like to create a place that live stream, live performance is, etc. where I can receive consultations and etc. 頑張ってありがとうございます。To make it easier to respond to viewers and with subscription perks and the like. So, and I want to eliminate any pranks that could be disruptive. And to ensure that more people can watch with peace of mind, I will continue to deal with any pranks that could be disruptive, such as requests for treasure chests or goodie bags. And focus on creating videos and live streams that do not seem like just for fun. In order to strengthen public relations and advertising, I will also incorporate company introduction. So I will also be thorough in asking people to refer to the profile summary and create opportunities through live streams, etc. for consultation, via subscriptions, etc. Thoroughly publicize our activities, including use on other SNS, social network services. Looking back at and YouTube result looking back at July. So number of views 37,000 views. Total playback time 505.8 hours. Average viewing time 0 minutes 48 seconds. Average playback rate 20 to 29.6%. Number of channel subscribers per month is plus 338. Includes 27 for videos, 24 shorts, 1 for live, minus 10 for others. So, number of new viewers 25,296 viewers. So, includes 7,902 for videos and 17,554 new viewers for shorts and 132 new viewers for live. And number of impressions 747,358. So quick through rate for 2.8%. So, and dry results, number of views 484 views, and total playback time 1051.3 hours, and average viewing time 0 minutes 37 seconds, and average playback rate 53.9%, and number of channel subscribers plus 70s. So included 13 for videos, 65 for shorts, 0 for live, and -8 for others. And number of new viewers 73,175 new viewers, included 6,444 videos and 66,887 for shorts and 132 for live. And number of impressions 555,455, and click-through rate is 3.9%. So comparison of dry and dry, number of views and total view times. Number of views decreased by 26,516 views compared by June. And total viewing time decreased by 545.5 hours. So average viewing time increased by 11 seconds. Average viewing rate decreased by 24.3%. Impressions 32 fewer new subscribers and 47,879 fewer new viewers. But 191,903 more impressions. However, 1.1% fewer clicks. Dry reflection in YouTube. In dry, I tended to release more short explanatory videos. But in dry, I started to focus more on challenge and walking videos rather than explanation videos. I had chance to see if that was why the growth rate was slowing down. And recently, I've also started to release more long explanation videos. I'd like to put more effort into posting videos in parallel with explanation videos, challenge videos, and walking videos, as well as short and long videos. I'd also like to continue to aim for traffic from other SNS, social networking services. Point to improve in dry at YouTube. I will be posting short videos and long videos in parallel, such as challenge videos, walking videos, and explanatory videos such as company introductions. And since the rate of increase in the number of channel subscribers is low, I will continue to post short videos without cutting corners in order to increase the rate of increase. Policy and goals in August, TikTok, YouTube. I will continue posting videos and live streaming. I will mainly post challenge and walking videos. And depending on the circumstances, I may reduce the frequency of my broadcasts and video postings. So I will create opportunities through live streaming and other means to interact with viewers. So I will also reach out to viewers and others for advice. I will also continue to seek sponsors and funding. Goals in August. The goals of improving financial health, renovating vacant houses, and purchasing a car for our mobile office remain unchanged. I will also create a space where I can share with viewers. I aim to significantly increase the number of forward channel subscribers. I will also share our policies and goals on other social media. Summary. From July to June to July, CHUPI-CHAPA's electrical sound props explanatory videos on both YouTube and TikTok have grown. So while we will continue with those, we I would like to continue making walking and challenge videos as well. We would like to reduce the discrepancy in ratings between our videos and live streaming. And I would like to share our policies and goals through stories and posts, and also use other SNS. And I would also like to provide a forum for viewers and others to ask for advice. So that's all for today. Thank you for listening. Thank you. ここまでなんか質問ある方いませんか？質問ある方はぜひ挙手もお願いします。一応ですね、これに関してはですね、資料とかはですね、一応別途ですね、後でですね、TikTok に載せますので、そんな感じでですね。ちょっと待って。ごめんなさい。ちょっと待ってね。